Good day everyone, my name is Johan B. Migreño and I'm your presenter for today. So for today's video guys, I'm going to discuss the summary of chapter 19, the Teaming Technology. Alvin Toffler explores the complexity relationship between society and technology, emphasizing the importance of managing technological development rather than allowing them to dominate human lives. He argued that technology offers numerous benefits. It can cause significant disruption if not properly controlled. So as a human, we have our authority to control our technology, no. Kaya kita mo gamit ana. So according to Alvin Toffler, that maka-benefits tas while using technology, especially karon nga generation no nga gamit kayong technology, but kanang masobrahan ta gamit sa ato ang technology is can also makaharm sa ato bitaw. That's it. So, Toffler calls for the establishment of mechanism and policies that guide technological growth in ways that benefit society and minimizing harm. He suggests that setting limits on technology expansion, ensuring that innovation serves humans' needs and preventing concentration of technological power in hands of few. So that is so very understandable, no? That Toffler, he really wants in this chapter, he really wants that an eye opener for us human, that dili nato kinahanglan nga permanente magsalig sa technology because we are capable to do things, and using technology is kuan lang kanang murag help lang sa tuwa bitaw. Where are those areas that magkalisod ta kanang dili na to siya i-abuse bitaw, kanang ato lang siyang kuan nga maui ba nga mahuman nato na ang kuan certain task. That's it. Thank you everyone.